I bring you greetings in the name that is above every name, the name of Jesus Christ, the Son of the living God. Let me quickly refresh our minds about the days of the small beginnings, when we had no form nor comeliness that anyone would desire us. Indeed, God had been very gracious to us. The grace of God has taken us thus far. I remember vividly when we started newly and prophecies were coming about how we will touch the world. I keep on asking myself, how would that ever happen? But you will agree with me that the rest is history. And also, when I remember how we, like little children, were carrying pans in our hands, inch by inch, reclaiming every piece of this very property. It looked as if it was an impossible task. But here we are today with this beautiful edifice standing as a testimony of God's goodness on our behalf. We're able to get to this position because of the bonding together in covenant relationship. With the completion of this edifice, if there was a time we needed to allow this bonding to continue in order to take our signature conference, the Kingdom Life World Conference, to another level, this is the moment. TREM is about people. Our mandate is about people. And to fulfill this mandate is our collective responsibility. Your personal decision to give your all will speed up this mandate. You are the one that makes this difference.
Yes, you make it happen. Kingdom Life 2011 is here. Gloriously, we are moving from the old auditorium to this glorious, wonderful Cathedral of His Glory. This year's Kingdom Life World Conference is themed Grace, Grace. So we're moving from grace to grace and from glory unto glory. It's a combination of grace and glory, and that means that no good thing will be withholding from any one of you this year. Success of Kingdom Life World Conference all through the year has been as a result of people working together. All the ushers that are in our parking lots, the people taking care of our toilets, the children department, techno department, everybody working together as a team. That's why all these people are the ones making the difference. In order for this to be a success, we all must come together. We need to raise about 3,000 people that would say, I'm going to support the vision of the Kingdom Life World Conference, the African Invasion, the TV and radio program, which we all tag as Kingdom Impact Network, by donating 50,000 naira and above every year. Flyers will be going around so that you can know what this Kingdom Impact Network is all about, so that all of us can join together and make this Kingdom Life, African Invasion, and TV and radio program a glorious success. You make it happen.
Make it happen. The revolution is on. Kingdom Life World Conference 2011 is about making it happen. IT is it. Innovation, creativity. This will be displayed at this year's youth conference of the Kingdom Life World Conference. Make IT happen. Feel it, see it, live it, and be IT.
You are the one that makes Kingdom Life World Conference, our signature conference, happen. Be that difference that is needed by your personal contribution. Because TREM is you and TREM is we. Let's join hands together and build TREM. TREM is we.